What's going on YouTube? So today we're going to be looking at New Finish. It is a product that's been around on the market for years. We're talking 30, 40 years. And we're going to be trying it out on this F-150. So we're going to show you how to apply it. We're also going to read the instructions on the back and then we'll go from there. So let's get straight into this. Let's go. Independent test has proven that New Finish will bead, shine, and protect for a whole year, even after 40 automatic car washes. Okay, New Finish contains absolutely no wax, won't scratch your clear coat finish. It's so amazing you can even apply it in direct sunlight, which that's exactly what we're doing today. And as you can see, it's in direct sunlight. So real, true review. Let's see how easy it is to apply. All right, so other uses. It says fiberglass boats, RVs, and airplanes. Also polishes chrome surfaces. So wash and dry vehicle, shake well, and apply with a damp cloth one section at a time. Let dry to haze, then wipe off with a clean cloth. Do not use on vinyl, plastic trim, wood, rubber, or flat paint. So what it probably will do is turn it white. To have some irritants in here, make sure that you wear PPE, make sure you wear gloves. If you have anything in your eyes, you got to flush your eyes for at least 15 minutes, get medical attention if you swallow it or eat it, which I wouldn't recommend eating any polish out there. So anyway, all right, so that's what I'm going to do. Real time. I'm going to first use this microfiber towel. Now on this microfiber towel, I'll put a little bit of water on here. I'm going to make sure that this towel is damp. And it says apply with a damp towel. So this brand spanking new New Finish. As you can see, it has the top on here. Let me go ahead and take this off. Peels right off like so. Go ahead and go here. I'm gonna put that top on like you see here. And now I'm gonna just put it on like that. Already shook it up. Now, as you can see, it's just very, very liquidy, I guess you want to say. So coming right here, as you can see, it is in the direct sunlight. So let's go ahead and put on this door. And I'm going to spread it all around. Now, it says let dry. Now, something else I'm going to do, I'm going to put it on here. A little chrome trim on here. So let's give it just a few seconds. Let's see what it does. That's what it looks like as it's drying. All right. All right. So see that it's kind of drying. You can see I can just wipe it off with my finger here. I'll wipe this off. You can see, I know that this camera is picking it up. Yeah, there we go. All right. Very, very easy to come off. Simple. Simple to use. Simple to use. Easy on, easy off. And direct sunlight. So this is New Finish. Let's go ahead and apply just a little bit more. Try this. Put this up here. We put a lot on here. See if it makes any difference as far as how hard it is to get off by the amount that's being applied. Because some of you may just use a lot of it. So I'm kind of curious. Watching in real time. Get this dry one. Dry microfiber, fold it up. As you can see, that's New Finish. All right. Now, one of the main reasons why you want to use a polish or a wax or anything like that, it just comes off so easy. This stuff is just easy. You can see it's super easy. Main reason why you want to use a polish or a wax on a vehicle is because you want to protect the value of the vehicle. And you want to protect the paint, especially from UV rays, just like this, beating down on your vehicle. So just kind of keep that in mind. So when you're looking out there for new finish car polish, I would definitely say yes, grab it. It's about $8, $8 to $10. You can get it from AutoZone, you can get it from O'Reilly Auto Parts. Don't know if Walmart sells it. Walmart may, but definitely check it out. It's very easy to use, goes a long way. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Okay, so anyway, besides that, I want to talk to y'all about this. If you like the shirts that you see on the channel and you like them, Exquisite MAD shirts, Exquisite MAD merch, just like what you've seen me wearing with Juvenile, with multi-platinum artist Juvenile, and also with AK the Razor Man from T.I.'s label, Grand Hustle. So big artist, New Orleans Pelicans. You can see me wearing this gear, and they plug it all in. So definitely check it out. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell. Hit the link in the description box, and we'll take you right there.